welcome back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We are making ajiaco today, and a stew from Cuba. So we will be using this kind of beef, and we have some chicken. Some people do it with chicken, boneless chicken, but I will be doing mine with bone. And we use it corn, that's garlic there, cumin, we have pepper, we have tomato paste, we have salt, and we have cassava, plantain, ripe plantain, unripe plantain, 1 green pepper, and we have a sweet potato, we have squash, and we have cumin, and we also have this lemon. We'll put all the ingredients we use for the cashew, so you know how many. We're just using 6 pieces of chicken. I don't think that will have what it will, but yeah, we didn't weigh it, just 6 pieces of chicken we are using. So this one was this 454 grams of beef. So please stay with us and see how we prepare it. Thank you. For a start, we will use put the chicken in the pot. You know, we're using 6 pieces of chicken, and we will be adding the beef too, same time. And we cover it. I just want on it so will not be burnt. We'll add a little bit salt now. Remember, it's the same salt we have, that's what we use all day. We're using seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Seasoning for taste. I'll cover it back. I will start with this one. I'll use this part, then keep this one. Okay. I will add 1 cup of water. Just add 1 cup of water because I don't want it to be dry. So for me to be on the safe side, I will just add 1 cup of water and let it cook. See, some of the cassava spoiled. I just find out some of them are not good, but it's still okay. It will be enough to use. Just cutting it and then remove the skin, then cut. Sometimes I just cook food, but it depends on what you like. Just pick up the fish and okra. That's all. Garnish everything with the pomo. Put the onions and pepper, make maggi so much with the can go inside. Yummy taste. We get it to many. Cooking food is not a bad thing. We dey cook, we not take classes. I'm peeling the taro root now. After peeling it, I will also just cut it just the way I cut the squash and the cassava. I'm using knife to peel the sweet potato because I do not want to use the potato peeler for that. Just since I already started using knife for everything, just had to finish it. But it depends on what you like. And the jam because one to go inside. Okay, you can see my cutty board on Mother's Day this year. My children make this for me in school. These two cutty boards, that's so awesome. I was so surprised when I see kids can make this in school. Oh my God. I have to say thank you to them. And if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, if you can please help me to say thank you to my children or say one prayer to them, I will appreciate that. Thank you guys for bothering you with my story. Oh my God. Yeah. I will be adding what we need. We want this chicken and the beef to be very soft. It's already soft chicken though. So we just give them time to cook, and everything will, like just like this, they will go their separate way. That's what we are waiting for. I will still add more water if we need, but right now we just leave this one, let this one cook first before we add more if necessary. So meanwhile, as we wait in everything we slice, we just soak them inside the water. Okay, my people, see you soon. I just decided to add onions to it. I'm just going to remove all the water. I'm putting them back later, but right now I'm removing it. I do not want to wait till it dried. I have a lot to do. So the next, you can wait for yours to dry if you can wait. Yeah, but at this point I don't want to wait for the water to dry. So I'll be adding a half cup of oil at the side of it. So I will just add the garlic on one side and the onions also. Just wait for it to cook for a few minutes. And turn them together so one side will not be burning. You can filter the chicken blood inside, but I do not think I need to filter my own. I just remove them. See what I have here. As you can see, everything is sliced are still inside the water soak here. So at this point, I will be adding the green pepper. Okay, so I'll be adding cumin, and then I add thyme. Okay. I'll add tomato paste. We are getting there. The chicken are really soft. The beef too soft. It's not even hard beef anyway. You can use hard beef or use hard chicken. Just know that it will take a long time to make it soft like this. So I don't want to stay here forever. That's why I'm using something soft. So I'll be adding chicken bouillon. I just finished all one we have. Now I'll add a little bit salt. I'll wait, taste it later. If I need more, I can add. Just half of it. Okay, so now we'll be adding all this one now. Everything we slice here except the squash. That's the only one that is not going yet. Squash is not going for now. Okay. So now we just take the squash out of it. So all the things we slice are here. Oh, squash enter. I will just put the chicken broth to it. That water will not be enough. This is the oil from the chicken. I don't know if, I think beef have oil too, but this type of beef I don't think it has oil. I'll add more water just to cover it, good enough to cover it. Okay, this one will be good for now. Just stir it. You can see the chicken are already broken, the bones are coming out. I'll just add the pepper. You don't really have to add pepper because it's not really pepper thing. You can use black pepper. I need the stew to be a little bit spicy. That's why I add that one. You don't really have to add that. Then I'll take the squash back to the water and wait for their turn. At this point, I will cover and let it cook. So it's time for me to add the squash now. So now I'm just adding the squash. Look at our sauce. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So we'll cover it and let it cook for a while. Then we continue. Thank you guys. Okay, I guess just look at our sauce. The soup is ready, guys. I just on the soup now and then look at the chicken, see how they all melt. This is what we are trying to achieve. For the beef, everything is really sitting well. Let's go for tasting. Okay. So let me just dish some out. So we wait for it to cool down before we come back. Okay, I just wait for this one. Enough. I'm waiting for it to cool down so I come and tell you guys how it tastes. Try and cook yours. Call me to come and taste it for you, since I'm not calling you to come and taste mine. Okay guys, see you soon.